Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can set a value to a text box and how we can get the text of an element. Both we'll cover in this video. We'll see set value and get text, both methods. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Guys, let me take an example of Amazon.com. What I'll do here, to set a value, I'll set a value in this text. So I'll write for mobiles, I'll click on enter, then I'll verify whether this element is having this text or not. Okay. So for that, guys, let me start now the program. Before that, I have to get, so I need two objects, this object and this object. So let me take this object value. So it is input box and having an ID, unique ID is there. Double slash input. I'll write open bracket, close bracket, @ID equal to. So we need an ID of this. This two tab search box. Let me put that ID here. Uniquely identifying. Let me copy this and I need this one also. So it is span and that also it has a unique class. Let me write this span and class is this one. Let me copy it. Let me paste it here and let me write @class. And also one more thing you can add. It is showing two, right? So and just write and just write contains and just open bracket, close bracket. Text you can write comma, just you write price. So it will uniquely identify this. Okay, let me copy this also. So now let me come back to the program. So now I've copied these two values. Now I'll write my program. So first I'll write await browser. Since I'm launching Amazon.com, I'll write browser URL of, so let me paste it here, the URL Amazon.com. So once I enter the Amazon.com, what I'll do here, I will go and fetch the object text box. So I'll write text box text box equal to, we'll write await here and we'll write dollar, open bracket, close bracket. You can write a CSS selector here and you can also write an XPath, that won't be an issue. So let me take this XPath. So I want this XPath and here I have to set a value. So here double quotes will write, we'll remove this error. That's it. We'll write semicolon here. After that, we'll do what? So we have to use always await. If we don't use semicolon here also, then it's also fine. We can use that. Once we have taken this text box, I'll write await and I have to set a value. So I'll write await text box dot, you will write set value. What I want to set? I want to set value of mobiles. So once I get the mobiles, I'll wait for 5 seconds. So I'll write browser dot pause. So I'll pause it for 5 seconds. This is 5000 milliseconds. So once I get that, I'll write mobiles here. Then I have to write click on enter. So I have used enter is another program, which is I think text google.js. So I'll copy this. I'll paste it here so that whenever you enter the mobiles, click on enter, pause for 5 minutes, then you validate whether this text is present or not. For that, you have to get text element. So let verification, I'll just let verification object equal to same thing, await dollar double quotes. I'll copy this one and I'll add entire XPath from here. So I'll add it till here. So that's it. I'll close it, semicolon. So verification object. Now what I have to do? I have to introduce get text. Okay. So constant text of object. So equal to verification object dot get text. And I have to use await here. Since it is async, so I have to use await. Async and await. If you want to know more, you can see one of my videos in JavaScript. I've always used async and await. I can use console.log of text box, text of object, and also I can write a await verification object dot get text. triple equals to, I can just copy it from here, the entire thing. So this will give me a validation. I'm just using like this. So let me run the program now. In the package.json, I've already given the get text wb.js. So let me run now, test Google. It has launched the browser now. So it's trying to search, so it entered the mobiles, clicked, and it is now validating this object. That's it, it got passed. We'll see what was the result here. So you can see the result was price and other based project on color. So this is what we got in the console log, and the verification. So verification also passed. We have no issues here. So we can actually add an assertion here. Okay. So I'll write expect. So await. So I'll put here dot has. So I'll write to have text here. Run it again. Text Google. So now it is launching the Chrome browser. So Amazon.com. Once it reloads, it will enter mobiles. Click on enter. So now once the reload is finished, it will try to capture that. That's it. Done. So now it has passed. Assertion is also passed. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.